Life hacks, computer shortcut keys, how to use. Hello friends, I'm Mr. UG Money, and today I'm to show you life hacks, computer shortcut keys, how to use. Stay on until the end so that you don't miss a thing. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share for more notifications. F1, help. F2, edit. F3, paste name. F4, repeat last action. F4, while. F5, go to. F6, next pane. F7, spell check. F8, extend mode. F9, recalculate all workbooks. F10, activate menu bar. F11, new chart. F12, save as. Ctrl+A, select all. Ctrl+B, bold. Ctrl+C, copy. Ctrl+D, fill down. Ctrl+F, find. Ctrl+G, go to. Ctrl+H, replace. Ctrl+I, italic. Ctrl+K, insert hyperlink. Ctrl+O, open. Ctrl+P, print. Ctrl+R, fill right. Ctrl+S, save. Ctrl+U, underline. Ctrl+V, paste. Ctrl+W, close. Ctrl+X, cut. Ctrl+Y, repeat. Ctrl+Z, undo. Ctrl+N, new workbook. Shift+F1, what's this? Shift+F2, edit cell comment. Shift+F3, paste function into formula. Shift+F4, find next. Shift+F5, find. Shift+F6, previous pane. Shift+F8, add to selection. Shift+F9, calculate active worksheet. Shift+F10, display shortcut menu. Shift+F11, new worksheet. Shift+F12, save. Ctrl+F3, define name. Ctrl+F4, close. Ctrl+F5, Excel, restore window size. Ctrl+F6, next workbook window. Ctrl+F12, file open. Alt+F1, insert chart. Alt+F2, save as. Alt+F4, exit. Alt+F11, Visual Basic Editor. Ctrl+Shift+, exponential format. Ctrl+Shift+, place outline border around selected cells. Ctrl+Shift+_, remove outline border. Ctrl++, insert. Ctrl+-delete. Ctrl+Shift+F3, create name by using names of row and column labels. Ctrl+Shift+F6, previous window. Ctrl+Shift+F12, print. Alt+Shift+F1, new worksheet. Alt+ auto sum. Ctrl+, toggle value, formula display. Ctrl+Shift+A, insert argument names into formula. Alt+down arrow, display autocomplete list. Shift+Ctrl+F6, previous workbook window. Ctrl+F7, move window. Ctrl+F8, resize window. Ctrl+F9, minimize workbook. Ctrl+F10, maximize or restore window. Ctrl+F11, insert 4.0 macro sheet. Comment anything that you think Mr. UG Money left out. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, Like and share for more notifications.